Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Arc Raiders voice chat not working. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common. So the most common fix is to restart the game and your PC console. So basically a simple reboot clears temporary glitches. So Footy close Arc Raiders, restart your PC console, relaunch the game, and then test voice chat. Now the next fix is that we need to check the microphone is set to default. So to do this, click on your Windows key and click onto I. Now from here, we need to go ahead and click onto System. Then on the right, click onto Sound, and then scroll down under Input. Make sure your microphone is set to the correct one. So I'm using a fine microphone, and as you can see, I'm talking here. So make sure that is set to your default microphone. Now we can also test our microphone by clicking into it. Then they've got a microphone test here, which is pretty cool. So we can start the test, then talk or play audio at a normal level for a few seconds. So go ahead and click on Start Test. We can move this slider around. So if that's set to 0, you're not going to be able to hear me. So I probably dropped out there for a few moments. Yeah, so just do a test here and make sure everything is good on that end. Now the next fix is we might need to go ahead and update our audio drivers. So to do this, go ahead and click on the search, type in Dev Device Manager, and then click onto Device Manager. A little Device Manager window pop-up is going to appear like so. And then basically we need to look for audio inputs and outputs. So here it is here, audio inputs and outputs. Now find your microphone inside of here. So like I said, I'm using a fine microphone. So I'm going to right click this and update drivers. So you might have an option to update it here, or click in the properties, go to driver and update driver, and then just go through the processes. If you already got, and you start the test to make sure you've got the most up-to-date driver for your microphone. Now if you got any background apps running in the background that is using your mic, so apps like Discord, Zoom, OBS, Xbox Game Bar, browser taps using the mic, just go ahead and disable or turn off anything that's using your microphone, then retry Arc Raiders.